Welcome back to One Pot Dish. Today we're going to be making baby potatoes in an Instant Pot. Pretty simple recipe, but these are such a great base for making so many different dishes. You can do a garlic and herb butter. We show you at the end of it. We made a beautiful potato salad, which we'll give the recipe to in an upcoming video. Start by putting 1.5 cups of water into the Instant Pot, and we're using the steamer tray. We use the steamer tray because we can distribute the baby potatoes around it more evenly. However, you can have the trivet, and that's fine as well. We just found that they cooked more evenly if we had the steamer bowl, but the trivet worked fine as well in our experiments. Just place them around and basically you're ready to go. If you want soft, creamy potatoes, we found 15 minutes was the perfect cooking time with a quick release. However, if you want them slightly firmer, then reduce the cooking time by 1 or 2 minutes. Once they're done, just take them out and put them in a bowl, ready for what you're going to do with them. You can put garlic and herb butter on them and just serve them straight up. We decided that we'd make a chorizo-based potato salad, and we'll give that recipe in our next video coming up. It was just awesome. So thanks for watching this short video. Bye for now.